So this is the website for your online coaching academy or online courses academy or online academy simply. If you're any business in education, you have different courses from different backgrounds. This website can definitely help you in featuring your courses, selling them online, and collecting your reviews and promoting it. So let's have a look at this beautiful design today. This is a beautiful header with some social media icons over it and a phone number and email for your discoveries and two options for the homepage. We're gonna look each. You can use a hero image from one of your professionals or a very attractive person or maybe your business owner, whatever, like this with the same style. And I believe your business colors will matter a lot in your design. And basically, this theme is a template and they are using some basic and their own branding. So this is how they have designed their header stuff, like very big heading, looks nice, and then a signature writing here, and then a little bit statement, and they are asking you to discover more, and they're now giving it. We can give it reasons like why people need to join your online academy. They can learn skills, they can learn it from the expert teachers, and they can get certificates from you. Here you can share more about your business and share your staff images, and also moving forward with the welcome statement and then more reasons to join you. Here you can share about your courses, like what kind of courses you have. You are selling a React developer course, you are selling a Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, you are selling someone to learn coaching for their personal life, coaching for HR, coaching for jobs, business coaching, health coaching, mental health, whatever you're selling it. Even you're selling some language courses, some personal courses, some Photoshop, graphic designing, any other courses on your website. Here you can help people to register with you as a newcomer. They want to register on your academy, and then they can get access to your courses no matter how many courses you have on your website. So as they have specified, they have like 66,000 plus courses, and here are new some top categories like this. Whenever some people hover on it, and they will be able to see like it's art and design or any other category. They can view all courses by clicking this button, and we can share your testimonials from your previous students who have joined your academy and then learn from you. And also you can share which partners you are working with to design and educate your students. And then you can share a little bit more about your institution and benefits, and so that others can also see the value you are providing it. And also you can share more latest from your blog, very nicely designed, like an image, and then also a heading and description. And last but not the least, you can ask people to sign up to your newsletter, and a beautiful header. I love this header with this like shade and background image. It looks beautiful to me, and you can tell more people about your courses and links and contact information. So this was the first landing page option we have, which is the home page. Let's look at the second home page design that this template offers you, and we will be able to see right now how it looks. So you see they have like a different layout right now for your online academy, and now you can share a phone number and email like this and a header like this. And also this is a transparent um, menu, and I will say an slider on the back end on the header image where you have placed three images, and then moving forward with a lot of different categories that you're working on. And here you can tell people about your company introduction, And then people can explore more courses, they can watch a video, or they can, learn more about your brand, and also meet the teachers and discover more, and then read about testimonials. And y- people can become a teacher on your website or join your community. This is a demo text everywhere, so people can also learn about your blog and learn more about who you are working with. So I like the second one as compared to the first homepage. Please give me your opinion in the comments below, like which homepage you really like, that like the first one or the second one. Let's look at the about page, how it looks like. Alright, as we can see on the about page, we have like a header image and more some images and description of the business, and then testimonial widget and their results, and again the teachers, and subscription to the newsletter and footer. Very nicely crafted, very nicely designed. Let's look at their courses page, how the courses page look like. Wow. Okay, they have a header image again, and then they have categorized their businesses like courses, I would say, according to different featured or all or business or photography and photography or development and others. People can explore more from here. And then here is a page where you can place all the teachers for your business from your institution, and share about their social media and tell how many courses they have completed, and discover more. You can create another page with more information. Here is another page where your teachers can register with you as to become a teacher. Okay, so they can send you a message, or maybe we can add more fields to it, and then benefits of teaching, meet the teachers, and then that's it. Okay, go to the news page. Let's see how the news and latest. Actually, this is a blog, they have named it as news page, and I like this idea. It's like a unique one, and it attracts more attention. What are the news? So at the news page, they are just sharing the blogs and making new posts every day. Let's look at their contact page. So at the contact page, they have a header image, and they have their local address, their email, their phone number, and they have a form which helps you to send them an email and your message. Also very beautifully designed map where you can place your information for your business, where you are located, so people can get directions if they want to visit your office. So guys, this was the online academy design. You guys can use it for your teaching business in IT industry, in language industry, in like health coaching, benefits business, in any different industry. We can transform it. So my name is Muhammad Usama. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am the founder of Usama Web Studios, where we help people in designing their beautiful websites, online academies, websites for anything like beauty salons, healthcare industry, and paramedics, and clinics, and spas, and salons, and restaurants, and bakeries. We help people in everything when it comes to website design and development. If you are someone who might be looking for a website, feel free to reach out, and I would love to help you out. And if you know someone, please share this video with them, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. If you're watching this on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, you guys can follow us and share your support by sharing this video with others, and I really appreciate you. See you on the other video in the very next day, tomorrow, with another beautifully designed website for something like coaching or anything. Till then, take care, and then we will talk soon. Bye for now.